In front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Then hit System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now you need to select Text Correction here and use Gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back, as you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!